Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to adjust volume without button on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Well, here you can activate the accessibility button first. Please open the settings menu, and then here you can scroll down, and then you can go to accessibility option. Well, after that you can choose to tap interaction and dexterity option. After that, here you can activate this option by pressing this button. Well, after that, you can tap this icon to show the accessibility tools. Okay, and then here you can adjust volume by tapping this icon. Well, that's the tutorial on how to adjust volume without buttons on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.